My husband Carl is an agent for Lincoln Heritage Life Insurance Company. Who does he call for ideas to help him set up for a promotional event? Me, of course, his own personal event planner. Carl was invited by one of his clients who manages a housing complex to set up a vendor table on site. He had less than 2 weeks to gather some custom merchandise, which didn't leave us much time to order from online companies. So we had to get creative. Here's what we did. In addition to pamphlets and brochures, we wanted to have some giveaways to offer to potential clients. So I ordered these plain plastic water bottles from Amazon, and I bought some plain white coffee mugs from Dollar Tree. He wanted his name, number, and website on everything, so I got out my trusty Cricut machine. Whenever agents want to use the company logo on promotional merchandise that is not ordered directly from the company, it has to be approved by the corporate office. So after getting that done, I printed the logo with his name, telephone number, and website underneath. Then I uploaded the design into the Cricut design space for cutting. Since this is a print then cut design, I used Cricut's printable vinyl adhesive paper. This way, I could print the logo in full color and use it as a sticker on the merchandise. We applied the different size logos and stickers to white paper bags, which would hold their coffee mugs, and we put stickers on the mugs and water bottles too. When you have a lot of merchandise to label like this, it's good to have an assembly line of helpers to help you get it done faster. My mom helped me out, and we got everything done in just a few short hours. Thanks, Mom. If you're not familiar with how the print then cut feature works, let me show you. First, the Cricut machine will scan your printout. Then it makes a precise cut around your design. Can you imagine trying to cut all of these by hand using some scissors? No way. So by using the Cricut machine, you can peel off the backing, stick it onto your merchandise, and everything will look uniform, and it will also look very professional. I was able to order some custom ink pens from Pens Express, but again, because of our deadline, I had to pay a little extra for a rush order. I designed custom refrigerator magnets using the template of his business card, but for these, I made his name and phone number really big for easy reference. These were ordered through Vistaprint, and they got here quick, within 7 days. Now for my favorite part. I splurged for gourmet jelly beans. I got these 1-pound bags overnight express from Amazon in assorted green flavors of lemon lime, green apple, margarita, and pear flavor. Yummy! Then all I had to do was mix up my pot of assorted green beans and stuff them in the bags. And of course, if there were any left over, you know what would happen to those. This is how the stickers for the water bottles turned out. Inside of every water bottle, we put jelly beans, a magnet, and an ink pen. We did the same for the coffee mugs. And this is how the stickers on the mugs came out. Needless to say, my client was very happy with his merchandise and he was ready to go out and do what he does best, and that is to take care of his customers. Agents are not there just to give out free stuff. Potential clients express interest by filling out a card with their name, address, date of birth, and telephone number. Only then do they get to choose one free gift, either the coffee mug or the water bottle, all of which has Carl's contact information on everything. To further incentivize and build excitement for the products and services, the client's contact card goes into a fishbowl for a grand prize cash drawing at the end of the event. What draws people out of their homes and over to the vendor table? Free food puts people in a good mood. This dinner is sponsored annually by the management of the housing complex in appreciation for their residents, so it was a perfect time for us to be there. Not to mention, the weather was great too. So for all you insurance agents out there, if you're in a pinch for a promotional event and you want to cut cost on your merchandise investment, consider some of these creative ideas. If you found this helpful, press the thumbs up below and feel free to comment. For all you event planners out there, don't limit your creative skills to just parties. Consider corporate events as well, especially with independent agents who could really use your help. And to everyone else who's watching, purchasing life insurance is one of the most responsible things that you can do for your grieving family members. Losing you will be the worst day of their lives, and they shouldn't be further burdened with paying for your final expenses. With so many unforeseen things happening around us, now is the time to get your affairs in order. Call CBJ. He's here for you. Tomorrow is not promised. Don't delay any further. Give him a call today. Come back and see me again. I post new videos every week on interior decorating, event planning, and lifestyle. I'm Steph Storm, and you'll see me next time.